Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the reset now. Power on, plug in, and connect the internet to download recovery files if needed. If you can't log in, hold Shift and click Restart from the sign-in screen or boot from a Windows USB drive. This launches recovery environment. Why this matters? Recovery mode bypasses the locked profile and exposes full reset tools. Once recovery appears, choose Troubleshoot to access reset options. Make sure to confirm power is stable to avoid corruption during system image operations. Now you pick how to rebuild Windows and why. Select Reset this PC, then decide Remove everything if you're selling or need a clean slate versus Keep my files to preserve data. Next, choose Cloud Download for the freshest image. Use this if local files are corrupted, or Local Reinstall to save bandwidth. Finally, opt for full drive cleanup when you need secure erasure, which takes longer. Choose Quick Erase if time matters. These choices control data recovery risk and total restore time. Complete the process by confirming settings and letting Windows run the reset. This can take 20–90 minutes depending on options. You'll be prompted to sign in or skip account setup. Follow on-screen prompts and create a new account if needed. If the reset fails, boot to recovery again and run startup repair, then use sfc/scano and dism to fix corrupted system files, or reinstall from USB. One tip: keep your recovery key or product info handy. This prevents activation and login headaches after the reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.